Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix token. Pundix was moving in this up channel and recently it has broken down the support of this channel. And in today's video, we will take a look at the price line, whether it is going to have a reversal move from here or we are going to move more down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. Recently, the price line has broken out this support of the up channel, and you can see on this 4-hourly time frame chart, by the way, the price line started the formation of this channel on 23rd of January, and recently it has broken down the support here on 12th of Feb. And after breaking down, the price line also tested the previous support of the triangle of this channel as a resistance, and after the confirmation, the price line moved more down, and right now we are moving at 81.6 cents. Now let's move back to the weekly time frame chart, and this is a very big descending triangle that I'm showing you in almost my every video. Then we can see that this is a very strong, significant support we had here, and we even moved inside back in this triangle. We rallied very well. By the way, this was a very powerful rally from this low to this high. That was more than 80%, and we are again rejected. If we switch to the daily time frame, then here we can see that we are rejected by the resistance of this triangle exactly from there, and after this rejection we are moving down. On the daily time frame, we can see that sometimes we are moving above this support of the triangle, sometimes we are being traded below this support of the triangle. So this support is very important. It depends where the day will be closed, and for example, if you will have a closing above this support, then it will be another probability that the price line will have another reversal move to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the triangle. And you can see that the movement is quite squeezed now. The triangle is very squeezed, so the time is very close to break out or break down. Here we had a fake out to the downside here, but we again re-entered the triangle. Right now we are again at the support. But on the daily time frame chart, if we watch only this piece of the chart, then we can see we are also moving in a down channel as well on this daily time frame chart. If I copy this trend line from here, from this daily time frame, and paste it here at this weekly time frame, then we can see these are the support and resistance that I want to show you on the daily time frame here. Now here we can see that the price line has also broken out the 25 daily simple moving average. That is a major development, and also broke out the resistance of this down channel as well, and we are having nice accumulation above this resistance of the channel, and we are again having another resistance of green line, that is the 50 daily simple moving average. Then this is the 100, and this yellow line is the 200 daily simple moving averages respectively. And even though we have broken out this resistance of the down channel, but we cannot ignore this resistance of a big triangle. If I place this resistance here, I've just copied that resistance of triangle from there and pasting it here, then you can see we still have a very, very big resistance above the resistance of this channel. You can see we have rejection here, we have rejection here, few more rejections here as well. Recently here on 12th of Feb, on 11th of Feb, we are rejected by the exactly same resistance. If I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then you can see exactly from this bigger resistance we are rejected, and we are moving, we move down, and now we have tested the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and we are having a nice accumulation above the resistance of the channel once again. So even though the target for this down channel will be approximately here at $1.88, but in order to reach this target, first the price line needs to break out this resistance of the bigger triangle, and you can see exactly from there we are recently rejected. And for example, if the price line moves up again to break out this resistance, this time will be this resistance will be approximately at $1.09. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.